in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make custom animated wallpapers like this, or this, or this. I think you kind of get the picture. All of that in today's video. Before we begin, I will go ahead and say this method is not absolutely free. It does cost $3.99. So I just wanted to put that out there quickly. However, there are so many wallpaper options, nearly unlimited wallpaper options. So to me personally, it is worth the $3.99. So first, you're going to open a new Google Chrome tab. Once you're in Google Chrome, you're going to navigate to Steam. Once you get to Steam, go ahead and search for Wallpaper Engine. This is the Wallpaper Engine right here, $3.99. Go ahead and click on that. However, you would normally buy stuff on Steam. Go ahead and buy that. Once you buy Wallpaper Engine and get it installed with Steam, you should have an icon similar to this. If you need a tutorial showing how to download things with Steam, I'm going to have a tutorial for that very soon. Once you have this Wallpaper Engine icon, go ahead and double click on that. Now, when you initially load into Wallpaper Engine for the first time, it's probably going to give you a disclaimer that says something along the lines of Wallpaper Engine contains a lot of anime. So basically, if you want to hide all anime and only have it be searchable, then either click yes or no. You should be greeted with a window like this after you either tick yes or no, and all of these will be blank. Ignore these. These are my two other monitors. So what you're going to do is click on the monitor that you want to change. You'll have to double click that, and then it will open you up to this menu. Now, I have made folders for my different wallpapers that I like, but what you're going to do, this is your installed wallpapers. This is everything that you have right here. This is how you can discover wallpapers. So if you want to download some new wallpapers, you would go here. And if you want to work on building your own wallpapers, you can go right here. Now, in order to make a folder like this, like let's just say you don't like any of the default options, which I'll go ahead and show you some of the default options. Maybe try out some of these other wallpapers. If you don't like that, maybe try something like sheep. This is actually a really fun interactive wallpaper that I occasionally throw on here just to have a little game to do. You can pick the sheep up and you can drag him places. It's very funny. You can change his stuff here, like Dino Run. It's got a lot of really cool default wallpapers, but let's just theoretically say that, you don't like the wallpapers. You don't like the Arstotzkan flag. Let's say you don't like any of that, right? And you want to just condense it all down to this nice folder. You would right-click and click on Create Folder. There you can name the folder whatever you want to. I just called mine Default and threw all of the default wallpapers in there. Now, to find new wallpapers, for instance, let's say I want to find some good Marvel wallpapers. I'll click here on Discover. By the way, I turned the anime option off, and all of this is still here, which is insane. There are a lot of anime wallpapers. So I'm going to, let's just say, we'll look up Sea of Thieves. It has a lot of really good backgrounds. So, you've got the Sea of Thieves ocean and whatnot. These pictures will not initially be animated, but you can, take a look at them. And right here, you can see, like, for instance, this wallpaper is 530 megabytes, which means it's a really long loop. So we wouldn't want to download one like that. We would want to download something maybe more along the lines of this 7 megabit one. So in order to download this particular background, we're going to click subscribe. That basically just downloads it to your device. Then once you have it downloaded there, it should automatically apply itself. That is cool in and of itself. However, we are going to go back to our installed tab, and from here you can move this around. So for instance, I really like this background. I think that looks pretty cool. We're going to move it into the Sea of Thieves file. What if I have multiple monitors? You click displays right here, and that pulls up your other monitors. For instance, I have monitor 2 and 3. Now, a quick note, some backgrounds will have music. To disable the music, it's very simple. You would just click audio disabled, right, like that. There would be an audio option. It would be ticked on. You simply tick it off, and it does not play any audio. Let's just say, I like this Sea of Thieves profile, right? I want to save this profile. I want to have it so that my computer boots up with this. First of all, whatever you set your different wallpapers to be, your computer will boot up to those wallpapers. Let's just say I really liked this set of wallpapers and I liked on which monitor they were. You could just do what I did and put them in a folder right here, but if you have more, like for say these, I have a lot of really cool pretty scenes that I like right here, some Japanese cherry blossoms, space photos, the beach and whatnot. What you can do is you can save a custom profile. So you would come right here by clicking on displays, and then you would click save profile, and that would allow you to save it. Now, it will be overwritten if you use the same name, so we could call it like Sea of Thieves New, something like that. I'm not actually gonna save it, but that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to make custom animated wallpapers. I will have a video coming soon about how you can animate your own photos. So let's just say you have a photo and you wanted to animate that. I will show you how to do that. My device takes about 5 seconds to load whatever the current wallpaper is. So for example, these wallpapers are not super performance intensive, so when my computer boots into Windows, which is this right here, it will automatically load these. And something I just saw really cool about this wallpaper, it has the time right down here. Yes, it's very late. Thank you guys so much for watching this helpful tutorial. If you want to find out how to download games with PC Game Pass, click right over here. If you want some more tech tutorials, click right over here. You want to subscribe, click right here on the Sea of Thieves logo. I'll talk to y'all later.